In my video guide, I will give you instructions to remove Search Warden. SearchWarden.com is a browser hijacker. It is advertised by its developers as a helpful tool that can protect your privacy and the best way to search. Search Warden, its developers say, offers high-quality search results by changing your default search engine. This extension lets you browse the web and get easy access to search, images, videos and news. So let's try to install this Search Warden. It's in reality called Search Guard Smart Search. So when this extension is actually added, people start experiencing a lot of strange redirections through random websites. When they submit the search queries, the results may be delivered by Bing, as you see here, by Yahoo or by some other unfamiliar search engine. Even though Bing and Yahoo are decent search engines, they are not your choice very often. So if you are not happy with such amendments introduced by Search Warden, I recommend you to go to the menu, click on More Tools and now choose Extensions, and you need to disable and delete this suspicious extension completely. So this should fix the problem. However, I also believe that scanning your Mac computer with the reliable antivirus is very important. So consider scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, then install the program and start scanning your Mac with this application by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the detailed research of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.